Okay, so to continue, the solution here is solve for Q1, Q3, Q, and P10 and 90. Ano? So, Q1 muna. So, same process pa din, applying the formula for the quartile. Ano? So, solving n over 4. So, the result is 25.21. Ano? The same process sa Q3. Ano? Solve mo na yung 3 in our 4. And then, so locate. No? So, yung solution niya is 37.45. And then, applying the formula for the quartile. So, Q sub 3 minus Q sub 1 over 2. So, the result is 5.74. Solving for P10, ano, which is 20.5. And then, for P90, which is 42. Okay, so solve mo na yung kurtosis. No? So, yung kurtosis, yung formula is the quartile minus over P90 minus P10. So, applying the result. No? So, the overall result is, ang kurtosis is 0.267. Samantala, yung okay, so since the kurtosis computed value, which is 0.267, is greater than 0.265, which is, yung normal is 0.265, diba? So, yung result is 0.267. So, then the distribution is abnormal, or it is said to be the platycortic. So, that's all. Thank you.